What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. I've got a video today on a brand new Schluter profile that was released earlier this year. The profile is called Finec. Now, this profile is designed to fit in between mitered joints, specifically mitered ceramic or porcelain and stone as well, to help protect the mitered joint. Now, it's a very thin profile. We'll show you how to cut it, how to install it, and we're also going to compare a Finec mitered niche to a standard mitered niche. So we will be installing the Finec profile on the lower niche here with the 12x24. We're also going to install a standard mitered niche with the 12x24 up top, just to compare the two. See the differences with the Finec trim versus a mitered niche without the Finec trim. So let's show you what we're working with here. We've got the tile saw all set up, ready to go. Here's our 12" by 24" tile here. And here is the new Schluter Finec profile. As you can see there, this is stainless steel. It comes in different types of colors and material, but stainless steel would probably be, I would imagine, the most popular. So, let's get started. Install some tile on the wall, miter cut this Finec Schluter profile and see how it looks. Here we go. Alright guys, let's miter cut some tile here. Again, we're going to miter cut right before the glaze here, as you can see. About a 1/16 of an inch to a 32nd of an inch right before the glaze. Let's miter cut this tile. Here we go. Well, there you go. Your mitered edge for the first piece. Now you can always clean this edge up with a rubbing stone or a diamond pad. Or polishing pad with a grinder. Install 2 screws here to hold the tile up. Let's mix up some thin set and install some tile. Miter piece number 1. Using left tech to hold this together. Time to miter cut some Schluter Finec profile. The profile is cut and mitered. So here are the profiles. Let's show you how you install. We'll start with the bottom. You slip it behind the tile just like so, and as you can see, one, it gives it a good looking, trimmed out look. Two, it protects the vulnerable edge of this mitered tile. So there's the bottom. You install the sides like the bottom, like so. And then do your best to butt up the miters, just like that. So we'll install the sill, the perimeter of the niche, and install this Finec Schluter profile. Show you what this looks like, then we'll quickly install a standard mitered niche up top here and compare the two looks. Standard mitered niche with no trim, a mitered niche with the Schluter Finec profile. Here we go. All right, guys, both niches are complete. We have niche number one trimmed out with the Schluter Finec profile, a very small, thin profile that gets butted up in between two miter joints. One is a great look. Two, it helps to protect the vulnerable miter joints. And then niche number two is just a standard mitered niche. Now, keep in mind, guys, this is not a video on how to build a niche, how to prep one, waterproof a niche, how to tile a niche. This is simply a video on the new Schluter Finec profile. We do a lot of mitered porcelain, and I think this is a great idea, a great design idea, and a great idea to help protect those vulnerable miter joints. Again, I prefer zero trim. We like the good look, clean look of a mitered niche, but if you do want some trim to mix well with any of the fixtures within the bathroom to match, let's say, your shower drain cover, your grate, stainless steel is a good option. Also, I would highly recommend using this Finec trim on a shower curb. If you can't find access to a solid surface for a sill, you can use the wall tile for the curb, miter the curb, and then use the Finec trim to protect the vulnerable 45-degree miter cuts. Well, there you guys have it. Let's show you a quick close-up. So there's your Finec trim. Again, I quickly mocked this up. Obviously, you want to take your time when installing this Finec trim and your miters, but you've got your stainless steel Finec trim around the perimeter there. And then your standard mitered niche without the trim. Again, both niches look great. Very modern, very clean and seamless look. Well, I hope you guys liked the video. Thanks for watching. As usual, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.